You're right. That would have been a better spot. Sorry.
Sorry.
I didn't realize how close it was.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another country full self-driving beta 11.4.4 aerial perspective video. Remember, if you guys are liking the content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the YouTube algorithm, and yeah.
It did really impress me, by the way. So it did the roundabout.
It did do the roundabout.
You had to give it a little left tap to get it to go into it, but it did it. And then it did try to stop in the yield, but it was like, no, you have the right of way. And then it took that left turn really well. Like, I was genuinely impressed with how it took that left turn.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
The one prior to this drive.
Uber.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me...
You want me to slow down?
No, you're fine. There we go. That's the backup screen recording.
Yeah. You have those ones that go across the water, just so you know.
Same.
Yeah, I'm really excited to see how that looked from the air when it took that left turn. Because from the car, that was brilliant. It was confident. It just, like, there was no hesitation.
Unfortunately, through that straightaway, I was trying to catch up to you. So it's going to be from a...
Oh, no, I'm talking about the one from the previous drive.
I know that.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to tell you about. I was behind. I was
Oh.
trying to catch up to you.
No worries.
We'll see what it looks like in post.
About 3 miles till our destination.
No problem.
Ooh, that house is for sale. Pretty property. I am really glad we got this car when we did because I love the candy apple red on this.
Over the Ultra.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The Ultra is pretty, don't get me wrong, but
I mean,
there's just something about this.
I would still get the Ultra.
Oh,
like if I didn't have if I didn't have an option, but I definitely like the multi-coat red. Or red multi-coat.
and that's been a fun conversation you and I have been having about the Cybertruck. Do you leave it or do you wrap it? You like the matte black wrap, right?
I love that stealth matte black wrap. I think it looks great on that truck.
It does look great. I don't disagree with you on that. But there's something about having it just
As
raw.
it is, yeah. Although I have been enjoying the F-150 troll.
Yeah.
I'm really excited for that truck, though.
Thinks it's 27. You know what I'm most excited about? I don't have to PPF that thing.
Like you did the Model S?
Yeah.
The entire car?
Or the Model 3, the parts of it.
That's very true.
Oh, you got a door ding? Oh, that's okay.
Rub,
Just adds to the character.
rub some dirt on it.
About half a mile. Doing okay?
Hmm? 59.
All right. Say you're in.
I was going to say, well, you guys, I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Thanks for tuning in to another aerial perspective full self-drive video. We'll see you again on another one.
No one's coming.